Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to learn sheet music for guitar, easy method. Start by mapping the staff to your fretboard and pick clear anchor notes like open strings. Next, focus on counting rhythms aloud and clap tricky patterns. Use short daily sessions to build sight reading and muscle memory. Keep a practice log and add one new piece each week to track progress and gain steady confidence. In this video, I will show how to learn sheet music for guitar, easy method. Start identifying treble clef notes and link them to specific frets using open string anchors. Mark challenging measures and practice them slowly with a metronome at low tempo. Repeat hands separately if needed, and then combine melody with rhythm. Gradual repetition and focused short sessions will make reading music feel natural, and in this video, I will show how to learn sheet music for guitar, easy method. Start by counting beats out loud and clap subdivisions like eighths or sixteenths to internalize timing. Work on short rhythmic patterns until they feel automatic before adding fretting and picking. Use a metronome and only increase speed when you can play cleanly at the current tempo. Consistent timing builds musical confidence and frees your mind to focus on expression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.